Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how you can make this small sling bag. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Now let's get started. I have taken a rectangular piece of main fabric and a lining fabric and an interfacing. I have taken duck canvas. All these pieces are of dimensions 17 inches across 7 inches. First, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing piece like this and give stitches on the edges. Now it's done. The interfacing piece is attached to the main fabric now. Next, I am going to take a zip which is 7 inches in length. Next, on the right side of the main fabric, I am going to place the zip with its right sides facing downwards like this and the lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. I am using sewing clips to keep everything in place. Now I'll give a stitch here. Now it's done. Now I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on the other side of the main fabric, I am going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this. And the lining fabric with its right sides facing downwards like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Straight stitch is done. Next, I am going to turn the right side outwards like this. Now I'll give a top stitch here as well. Top stitch is done. Next, to make the fabric loops, I have taken two pieces of interfacing which are 2 inches in length and 1 inch in width, and two pieces of main fabric which is 2 inches in length and 2 inches in width. Now on the wrong side of the main fabric piece, I am going to place the interfacing piece like this. And I'll fold the main fabric over the interfacing piece like this on both the sides. I'll fold it again like this and give straight stitches on both the sides. Now it's done, and I've done it for both the pieces of the main fabric. Next, I'm going to fold one of these pieces in half like this, and I'll place it about ½ inch above the zipper like this. Similarly, I am going to place the other piece on the other side of the zipper as well. Now I'll give straight stitches here. It's done. The fabric loops are attached now. Next, I'm going to turn the fabric inside out like this. Now I'll place it such that the zipper is 1.5 inches from the top like this. Next, I'm going to mark points 3/4 inch from the bottom like this. I'll draw a line along these points like this. Now I'll make a fold of 3/4 of an inch inwards like this. This is how it's gonna look like. Now I'll give straight stitches here. Once done, it will look something like this. Now to seal the raw edges, I have taken two fabric strips. of length 8 inches and width 1.5 inches. Next I'll place these fabric strips on the raw edges like this, and I'll fold the fabric half inches inwards at the top and the bottom like this. I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'll give straight stitches here. Once done, it will look something like this. Next, on the other side, I'm going to fold the fabric strip in half like this. And I'll fold it again like this. I'll use sewing clips to keep the fold in place. Next, I'll repeat the same on the other side as well. Now I'll give straight stitches here. Once done, it will look something like this. Now I'll turn the right side out. Now our cell phone pouch is done. For the handle, I've taken the ready-made nylon webbing. This is 1 inch in width and 55 inches in length. I've taken 2 lobster clasps. First, I'll insert one side of the handle into this slide buckle like this. Once the slide buckle is inserted, I am going to fold this end 1/4 inch inwards like this and give a square shaped stitch here. Now it's done. Next, I'll insert a lobster clasp from the other end like this, and I'll slide it towards the slider buckle like this. Now I'll pull out the free end of the handle through the sliding buckle like this. Now one side of the handle is done. Next, on the other side of the handle, I am going to insert the lobster clasp like this. Now I'll fold the handle 1/4 inch inwards like this and give a square stitch on top. Our handle is ready now. Now I'll attach the handle to the cell phone pouch like this on both the sides. And our cell phone sling is ready now. Now this detachable handle can be used with various other bags. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.